What's up, guys? If you are wondering what is a crypto wallet and what are the types of crypto wallets that I can use for my cryptocurrency transactions, then you should watch this. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out multiple websites for this video. I will also put them in the description of the video. So also note that this is purely for educational purposes only and this is not sponsored in any way. So a crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows users to securely store, manage, and access their cryptocurrency. Now, it stores private keys which are necessary for authorizing transactions on the blockchain and protecting the ownership of digital assets. Now, what is the key purpose of wallets, all right, of cryptocurrency wallet? Now, the primary role of a cryptocurrency wallet is to safeguard private keys, ensuring that only the users can access and manage their funds. And without private keys, the users cannot control their cryptocurrencies. So it's very, very unique. Now, if you are going to be venturing in cryptocurrency, then this is something that you really, really need to know. All right. You need to know first, even before you start trading and all that, you need to know where you could keep your assets and what you could use in all those good stuff. All right. Now, what are the types of cryptocurrency wallet? All right, so number one, you have the hot wallets. Okay, so these wallets are the ones that are connected to the internet and are ideal for users who are performing frequent transactions. Now, what are the samples or what are the examples of the hot wallet? Number one is the one that you can see on your screen, MetaMask, right? So it is widely used for decentralized finance, otherwise known as DeFi. It is the one that you use for applications and non-fungible tokens. So another example is the Trust Wallet. So it's a versatile and user-friendly wallet that is compatible with many devices. And the next one is the Coinbase Wallet. So it's also available in phone. Most of the cryptocurrency wallet has also a corresponding mobile phone applications that you could download. So another one would be the Coinbase Wallet. So it's perfect for users of the Coinbase exchange. It offers seamless integration and easy access as well. So the next one that I will be discussing is the Cold Wallet. And believe me, if you are heavy in terms of holding cryptocurrency wallets in the cryptocurrency space, then this is something that I would strongly recommend that you purchase. Now, there's a lot of hardware wallets out there, or hardware or cold wallets out there, different brands and all those stuff. But, you know, I would leave it all up to you. You could just type in and search for cold wallets or hardware wallets, and it will definitely show you a lot of different brands that's selling that. Now, for this video, I would just like to show you an example. And this is the one that I personally use. So it's an open source wallet that prioritizes advanced encryption and user security. So another one in the list is Ledger. So Ledger Nano X is also another brand. And that's actually a direct competitor of Trezor. I mean, those are basically, in like a couple of years ago, I was like choosing between Ledger and Trezor, but Trezor won my heart. I mean, this is not a sponsored again. It's my personal preference. It's just that, you know, I feel Trezor is better suited for me. So, but both are secure. Both have their own advantages and benefits. So for Ledger Nano X, guys, it's a premium hardware wallet with Bluetooth support and offering secure offline storage. There's a lot of, you know, new hardware wallets out there that are colored already, touchscreen and all that. So you could go ahead and explore that and see for yourself what is the best brand and model that, you know, I prefer, right? So that is the question that I will leave you in answering. Okay, so for the key features to look for, guys, what are the key features that you want to look for? The security measures, of course, the user friendliness is one of the things that I really, really like. You know, very, very straightforward. I don't need a lot of different functions or features out there that I really wouldn't use in the future, or I really wouldn't use in my day-to-day cryptocurrency trading. So, and of course, the supported currencies that you can use for that. Okay. Now, what are the things that you would consider in choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet for you? Number one would be assess personal needs. Okay. So traders who make frequent transactions should choose hot wallets for their accessibility and convenience. But for long-term holders, okay, or the hodlers, as we all tell them, they should opt for cold wallets for maximum security. And in my honest opinion, whether you are, a frequent trader or a long-term holder or hodler, I would still recommend using a cold wallet. So also, another one would be considering your budget. There are some wallets, cold wallets out there, or the hardware wallets that are pretty much cheap, okay? But there are also hardware wallets out there that has a price. I mean, I got my Trezor Model T wallet, cold wallet before for like $200+ USDT. So there are different brand and models out there for hardware wallets that are way cheaper than that. So you could explore those. You could even like get a hardware wallet brand and model for less than $100 or so. Again, it's totally up to you. It depends on your personal preference. And then, of course, research the reputation of the one that you are choosing. Okay, so look for wallets with positive reviews and a strong security track record to back it up. User experiences and expert opinions can help identify the most reliable options that you could go ahead and check. Like this is the Ledger website, guys. You could go ahead and check on that. Again, Trezor. This is your MetaMask, Coinbase. And again, there's a lot of different brands, a lot of different software, a lot of different hot wallets out there that you guys could go ahead and check out. These are just examples. All right. So, guys, in this video, we tackled and discussed what is a cryptocurrency wallet, what are the things that you need to know about cryptocurrency wallets. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.